Good morning, Dave here. You might notice that I didn't lock the truck. Damn. I arrived home a couple of hours ago, but I can't sleep. I can't sleep. I'm sleepy. I even took some sleeping pills, but I didn't eat last night. I did not eat last night. I ate yesterday, but I did not eat last night. I didn't bother eating anything, but yet I still feel full. I feel full, so when I go and lie down in bed, I can't go to sleep. Like if the lungs are pressing against my stomach, it's not making me breathe correctly. And I get the anxiety like if I'm choking. I need air. And right now we're pretty much experiencing the coronavirus. Of course, it's happening all over the world, but it's happening here also. I don't think it's the coronavirus. Just yesterday I had sore throat. I had a lot of coffee, and the coffee pretty much went away already. But anyway, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of walking. See if it'll help. I don't know what else to do. I'm sleepy and I'm gonna go to bed, but this damn stomach is so inflated, and I know there's nothing in there because I already went to the bathroom. You know, I like making videos and stuff, and I still can't get used to the fact that I gotta stick out a piece of pole in front of me, and it kind of looks ridiculous when people look at me. Damn. You know, I get tired so quick, and I don't even smoke, and I get tired real quick. I'm not walking that much, but I'm trying to see if I can get rid of some of this stomach hair, because it doesn't let me sleep. Well, I'm not gonna say that I technically went walking. I probably didn't even cover an eighth of a mile, but Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off for now. I'm out of breath. This is not good. I am falling asleep. This is not the coronavirus. The symptoms on a coronavirus is that it's a respiratory problem with the coronavirus, but it's not me. It's not like if I'm choking for the lack of air. Well, actually, I am choking for the lack of air, but it's not the coronavirus. It's just the fact that I'm fat. I'm fat, and I need to get rid of this damn stomach because it's never going to let me sleep at night. Actually, sleep during the daytime because I work at night. And let's just face it, I'm freaking fat. I don't eat that much, but yet I bloat up real quick. It's saddening because as much as I try to take care of myself, it's like if I'm not even taking care of myself. Maybe it's the fact that I'm working at night. I don't know. I don't know what to think anymore. Anyways, I'm going to pause it now because the video is going to get pretty long and it takes a long time to upload everything into the iPhone. I'm going to stop it. So, I'm in blog mode now. I'm no longer talking to you from 360. I wouldn't know what to tell you now because in reality, okay, now I look better because I guess I'm facing the sun now instead of facing the darkness. Yeah, I look better now. This is under I can't tell, but the sun is out already. I'm not used to the sun. I've been working nights for the past how long have I been working nights? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 years? I'm sorry. 8 years. 8 years. Constantly night shifts. 7 nights out of the week. Except September. September, I get to enjoy it and go on vacation. I usually go to the Philippines, but that's the only place that I usually enjoy being. The people are nice over there, and the atmosphere is nice. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go this year because of that coronavirus crap that's going on. Everything's on lockdown. I don't know. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm trying to get depressed. It's used to working all year long, and then this stupid virus comes up, and I can't. I'm not gonna be able to enjoy myself now. Anyway, it's getting darker. It's not dark. It's actually the sun. There it is. Okay. I gotta face the sun in order to have a better picture. I'm actually under the shade, which is good because the sun is out and I'm not really used to it. So, y'all have a good day. I'll probably be posting this up on YouTube just to kill some time while I finally figure out a way to get back to sleep. Anyways, good luck with all of y'all around the world. I know y'all are going through that quarantine also. And Y'all be careful out there. It's Dave here signing off for right now.